28 left, SkyWest 5974. Southwest 49er tree number 2 for landing. Follow the aircraft on final. Wind 287 at 18. Clear to land runway 28 left. Clear to land runway 28 left number 2 Southwest for 9er tree. Tower, United 129er ready for IFR departure runway 28 left. United 129er altimeter 29.85, wind 287 at 18. Traffic is generic on final. Cleared for takeoff runway 28 left. Axiom 1 Uniform Alpha 86 tree, leaving my airspace frequency change approved. Cleared for takeoff runway 28 left United 129er.
San Francisco Tower Axiom 1 Uniform Alpha 86 tree frequency change. NorCal approach Axiom 1 Uniform Alpha 86 tree is type Boeing B748 5 miles west of San Francisco 4,300 feet. Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Axiom 1 Uniform Alpha 86 tree NorCal approach.